Welcome back to the bench, guys. Got a little bit of a video for you guys today. I'm still in the trenches on this F5. I've almost got all the decals put on. As you can see, this is the last side. But today, I received an order. And you know what that means? The stash has grown. I want to talk about it a little bit, actually. Sometimes you get a little fatigued. I do mostly aircraft, and I do paint miniatures sometimes. And I have done a Gunpla kit, which I enjoyed immensely. So sometimes you got to break it up, and a part of when I paint miniatures that I really like is doing the bases. And so I had an idea. I thought, I'd like to make some kind of diorama of some sort. So what I did about a week ago, I got on Sprue Brothers and found me, let's back up here a little bit. I found me just some stuff that kind of inspired me. I just kind of scrolled until I found something. So I got this gun crew from Dragon. I wasn't looking for anything specific. I looked on there until I found something that just stuck out to me, and I thought, I want to do that. And then for some reason, these sandbags kind of stuck out to me. You can build them up along here. If I'm not going for this, full outdoor look. It is the Eastern Front though, so we'll see what I go with. But this is purely I wanted to do something totally different than I have been the last few months. But yeah, let's unbox these, take a look at them. I know some people say you should leave the shrink wrap on them, but I look at everything just because, you gotta open the box and look at it. This is from Dragon. I think this was like 16. Oh, we got a sticker. I think it was like 16 bucks. Not the biggest fan of ordering stuff, but because you lose money on the shipping. But sometimes you get online shopping and you order stuff. Okay, oops. I've never done a Dragon kit, but I have done a lot of miniatures. But this is looking pretty clean. Sometimes you can tell, especially with the, you see these little runoffs instead of having it kind of squish out the sides. But I mean, it's, there's just a couple guys. I think it's two. Yeah, two guys and the gun. The detail on their cloaks, coats, sorry, you can see the let's see, you can see like the quilted effect. Let's see. As far as the instructions go, this is huge for just building two little guys. This is 1/35 scale, by the way. That looks great to me. I've seen a lot. It feels solid anyway. So I'm excited to do that. Obviously got to finish the F5 first. Now let's take, I've heard mixed things about Italeri, or however you say it. I've never done one of their kits. But I figured these are just sandbags, so, you can't be, what could be wrong with sandbags? Even if the molding's not that great, they're probably really easy to clean up. Well, rip that off the box. One thing I do like is when companies use bags, but like I said, oh, okay. That's actually pretty nice. I thought you'd have to build it like this, but no, you can, they're literally individual sandbags, so this is great for, what's it called, your bits box, because I'm definitely not going to use all of these. Okay, it looks like they may stack. Yeah, well, they're thicker on one side, so you can kind of get a nice stack going. You can kind of see they mesh up like that there. If you are going to do something like this, you're going to want to make sure you get something the same scale. I almost did not, but luckily before I checked out I realized, and it just so happened that these were 1/35th scale, and this is 1/35th scale as well. So, and you know, could have been bad if I clicked order, but at least luckily it would have worked out in the end anyways. But yeah, these are actually these feel really solid. There is some flash around the edge, but like I say, they're sandbags, so they're going to get some texture and some weathering effects on them, so that really isn't a big deal at all. But these, I mean, this is really hard plastic, it feels like, guys. You can kind of hear. So yeah, I am going to finish the F5E, of course. I really try not to have a shelf of unbuilt models, but I'm not unmotivated to finish it. I'm just looking to switch it up. You know, after you do a couple of aircraft in a row, sometimes you want to, you know, switch it up, learn some new skills, try some different things, you know, keep it interesting. But yeah, let me know, did you guys pick up anything over Labor Day weekend last week that may be arriving this weekend for you? Let me know in the comments, guys, and we'll see you in the next one.